Hi everyone, I'm gonna show you a tutorial of Samsung Notes. This is the best note taking app for all. The best thing is that this app is totally free of cost for Android users. If you are a Samsung user, you can directly download from Galaxy Store. If you are not a Samsung user, don't worry. You can still download from any third party store. Many videos are available on YouTube about number of note taking apps Lite Note Shelf, Notability, Memo. The best thing about such other app is they are not available free of cost. They charge amount, so Samsung Notes is completely free. So let's start talking about features and tricks. The first feature is different type of pen or pencil. Most usable pen style available like fountain pen, ball pen and pencil. Handwriting depends on how much you use. Thousands of colors available for your colorful notes. The next feature of this app is highlighter. You can use highlighter, darken or lighten, depends on your need, and you can also draw straight line by highlighter. This feature helps in copy and paste of your handwritten notes. You can change color of your notes and can change style of your handwritings. You can also change your handwriting into text. This is the new feature added in Samsung Notes because of highly demand. This new feature converts your handwritten notes into text in real time. The next feature is here. This feature helps in draw any type of shape like round shape, rectangle shape, star shape, etc. etc. This feature is the backbone of Samsung Notes. This is the mostly used feature of the app. You can import files like JPG, PDF, etc. and can modify it. You can write on your photos or highlight important points. After completing your notes, you can export your notes in different type of format like JPG, PDF, etc. and share on social media. Your notes are most valuable for you, so you can backup your notes for any unfortunate situation. Backup your notes on your Google Drive or Samsung Drive. If you change your device in future, you can easily accessible your notes from your backup files. In this feature, you can directly import any PDF file from your storage and edit it and de-export into PDF after editing. If you are tired from using stylus, you can use keyboard for making notes. This feature is not a normal feature. Two types of eraser available in this app. First one is stroke eraser and second one is area eraser. This is the highly demanded feature in any note-taking app. Hundreds of templates available in this app for your personal, education, financial need. Daily Planner is also available for your to-do list. If you are a book lover, then this feature must help you. This will minimize extra pages. This feature would also help in your writing experience. In the era of digital education, voice recording feature is in demand in any note-taking app. This would help you in recording your voice notes into topic wise. You can arrange your voice notes into chapter wise or topic wise.